What is Seattle without coffee?
And with the view behind me, I wish you a very good morning from Seattle for day 2 of the Seattle trip. We are up on the roof terrace of our hotel right now, which is a pretty high hotel, and I mean, like, there's the Space Needle, there's the sea. Yeah, this is a nice place to be actually. We are heading over to Space Needle now and just check out how it is there. Yeah. We are heading up onto the Space Needle now. So we're now down by the waterfront and by the Seattle Great Wheel, which we are going to ride on another day, not today, because like we don't want to do everything just on the first day when we're here. I mean, yeah. Like, there's the Seattle Harbor and there's a harbor cruise ship and this ugly ass train. So we're heading back to Space Needle now. We've been at the hotel for a couple of minutes and we are checking out Space Needle at night, and I'm trying to shoot a time lapse of sunset maybe. That's gonna be pretty cool from up there. So yeah, let's go. So we just came back to the Space Needle. I hope you saw my little time lapse. There's just a skull spinning behind me. We're on the evolving glass floors. I was already here this morning. Yeah, we probably, I don't know if we're going to eat something now, but we have to leave now because they're closing in like 30 minutes. So yeah, we're leaving now. So we're back at the hotel now. I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope this one's gonna be a little bit longer than yesterday's vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to leave a thumbs up to this video, or maybe even consider subscribing. There's gonna be a lot of stuff on the screen right here, like my channel and the video from yesterday and the playlist from this trip. I guess I see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye.